Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change game difficulty settings for Forza Horizon 5. And to do this we'll need to click on Escape and open a settings. Here find the difficulty tab. Now you can change many different settings regarding difficulty settings, and there's different driver difficulty, and that changes how good AI is at driving, so you can adjust it however you like. Then there's a driving assist preset, and it automatically adjusts the driving assist below to create gameplay experience that matches the difficulty level you choose, and depending on which option you choose right here, it will change some of the options below. Then there's a braking. Assisted braking will detect if you're approaching a corner at too high speed and attempt to slow you down. And that you can see when you're driving around, you can see those arrows that are pointing your route, and if you activate this setting, it will try to slow down your car so that you can catch it. Then there's a steering. Assisted and auto steering will use Forza artificial intelligence to guide you to your steering along your navigation route. Standard steering gives you full control but dampens some physical effect to make driving easier. Then there's traction control. A traction control system attempts to keep wheels from losing traction by cutting power when it detects the wheel spin. Stability control management system attempts to keep the car from spinning out under difficult cornering conditions. The onset of oversteer triggers the stability management system to apply braking force to individual wheels. There's shifting. Select the automatic or manual shifting. Driving line, and this activates that line that shows you how to drive and make the best time, so we can adjust it as well. Damage and the tire wear, you can choose none, that way your car will always be shining basically. Then there's cosmetic. This will only affect your car how it looks like. And then there's a simulation, so your car might break when you hit something really hard. There's a rewind, and you can activate it or deactivate it if you want to rewind time. There's launch control. Launch control holds the car at the optimal RPM when launching and limits power when wheel spin occurs. In race events, launch control will be activated automatically. To activate launch control in free roam, hold the e-brake and throttle when stationary until the engine RPMs stops increasing, and then release the e-brake to launch. And that is basically all of the difficulty settings you get in this game. Also keep in mind that more difficult your game is, then more CR you gain from racing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.